Assalamu alaikum. Eid Miladun Nabi sallallahu alayhi wa sallam Mubarak to all globally and Defense Day too. I'm Dr. Ali Imran, Global Public Health Consultant. Allah's Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam asks us to speak truth, practice honesty, do justice, and hire people based on merit. If we become an honest nation, Pakistan gonna become one of the greatest nation of the world. Let's work together as per instruction of Islam and Holy Prophet guidelines to become a great nation who serve humanity. बादस खुदा बुजुर्ग तू किस्सा मुख्तसर कि मोहम्मद से वफा तूने तो हम तेरे हैं ये जहाँ चीज़ है क्या अल्लाह कलम तेरे हैं. Allah be our help and guide. Love all, hate none. Ya Rasulullah, Allah, Allah, Allah. Smile and be good to all.